Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must be an administrator and on the same network to proceed. First, check your IP4 with ipconfig and confirm the subnet matches devices you want to see. Once done, open Services. MSC and then Network and Sharing Center. You'll use both. Make sure Windows Firewall is accessible and you know credentials for any router or managed switch. Don't skip these steps. Missing admin rights or wrong subnet will prevent discovery from ever turning on. Now you enable the actual components. In Services, MSC set Function Discovery Provider host and Function Discovery Resource Publication to automatic and start them. These advertise the PC. Next, open Network and Sharing Center, change the network to private, then enable network discovery and file and printer sharing. This exposes services. If discovery still fails, temporarily disable third-party firewalls. Finish by restarting your computer and the devices you expect to see. Restart ensures services bind and advertisements are sent. Then verify network discovery is on a Network and Sharing Center and check the service's status again. If it remains off, inspect firewall rules with Netch or recreate the network profile by removing and reconnecting to the SSID. One key troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, run Netch winsock reset and reboot. This resets the network stack and often resolves stubborn discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.